Hello everyone, this video is about your lab report. Uh, as in every labs you are bound to submit a lab report that represents what you have studied so far. So due to the rules, we also will need to submit a lab report for this OOP course. So what we will need to do is first imagine a scenario as you wish. Maybe it can be a ride sharing app like Uber, Pathao, or it can be a bank, it can be a food delivery app like Foodpanda, anything. Okay, now for that scenario you have to create a kind of a project. Okay, and that project will show the uses of these OP terminologies. Okay, you have to create some class, you have to create some abstract classes, you have to create some interfaces, you have to use the constructors, you have to generate the getter and setter methods. You will need to show uses of inheritance like class to class, interface to class, abstract class to class, and use of these and super keywords, then use of encapsulation methods. Okay, for encapsulation you will just need to use only two of them. Okay, so I will recommend using to use the public and the private modifier only. Then use show a example of method overloading, show an example of method overriding, and then show an example of exception handling. Use try catch, use finally, show the use of throw, show the use of throws, and you can also use you will need to show the use of the array list. Okay, after preparing the code, just click this link and this will take you to this file. First go to file, then make a copy. Okay, make a copy, write your ID here. Okay, write your ID, then click on this make a copy. It will take you to another tab, I hope. And then do not touch this table. Write your name, your semester, ID, batch, fill this information stuff. Okay, and then write the problem statement here. Problem statement means the scenario that you have chosen. Okay, maybe the ride sharing app or food delivery app. And then uh, for each of the file in your project, write down the name and the code present in that file. And there should be multiple Java files in your project, so for each file repeat the same procedure. Okay, and uh, if you need more files, then you will just go to insert tables, take a table of with two rows and one column. Okay, and write your file name here and paste your code here. Okay, and repeat the same for each of the files present in your um, model, in your project. Okay, then after that you will have to you will actually get a output right after running your Java project that you have prepared. Just take a screenshot or just simply copy the output of your project and then paste it here. Okay, paste in this table, and then just download this PDF. Okay, download this PDF file as PDF, and you will need to submit that PDF. Okay, into submit it to BLC. Okay, I have prepared a assignment for you here, lab report submission. Submit it here. Okay, that's all.